everyone. In this video we're going to talk about something called the reverse of a string. So for example, if I have the word cats, okay, and I want to reverse this string, I would denote that with a superscript capital R. And the reverse of that string, if we were just reading this, we would probably guess that would be STAC. Now the question is, how can we do this using recursion? So we will begin with a recursive definition of reverse. So let's write this down. Recursive definition of a string reverse. Okay, so the recursive definition of string reverse is the following. Let S be a string, then S reverse is given as follows. For our base case, notice that the reverse of the empty set is just the empty set. So I'll denote the empty set with lambda, so the reverse of lambda is just lambda. And then for the recursive step, if S has one or more symbols, we'll write S, so we'll write S as some string, call it R, with one character at the end. Okay, so let's denote where R is a string, could be empty, and A is really important here. A is a symbol. Okay, once we have S written in that form, we can write S reverse as the reverse of RA, and that is simply A, that character comes out in front, R reverse. And so essentially we can keep peeling off those characters or those symbols that sit in the last position and keep putting them at the front of our reversed string. So I'd like to show you how that works. Okay, so I'd like to show you how string reverse works. Let's look at cats, and we're going to try to reverse that using our recursive definition. And so the first thing we want to do is we want to write this as a string with one symbol at the end. So the symbol at the end for us here will be this S. It's sitting right at the end there. That's our symbol. Okay, once we have it in that form, we can simply write our symbol in the beginning, and then we still have to reverse the string that's left over. Okay, so we had S and we were trying to reverse cat, so let's continue with that process. What we'll have is we'll have the S that was sitting out in front originally, and now looking at cat again as a string along with one symbol at the end. We can take that symbol, put it at the beginning of our work, and so we'll end up with the S that was there before, then we'll end up with the T, and now we end up with parentheses CA reverse. And if we keep doing this process over and over, you will see that we do get the reverse of cats, which is STAC.